Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Zoom account using your Gmail. This is a quick and convenient way to get started with Zoom without having to create a separate password, and it streamlines the whole registration process by linking directly to your existing Google account. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Zoom homepage with various options available. Your focus should be on the upper panel of the page where you'll find several navigation options. Look for the button that says Sign In and click on it. This will redirect you to the login and registration page where you can choose how you want to access Zoom. On this page, you'll notice multiple sign-in options. Instead of creating a new account from scratch, we're going to use the faster method. Look for the Google icon among the sign-in options and click on it. This tells Zoom that you want to use your Google credentials to create or access your account, which saves you time and keeps everything connected through your Gmail. After clicking the Google icon, you'll be taken to Google's sign-in page. Here, you'll see a field prompting you to enter your email address. Type in your Gmail address carefully, then click Next. This step verifies which Google account you want to link with Zoom, so make sure you're using the correct email if you have multiple accounts. Once you've entered your email, the next screen will ask for your password. Enter your Gmail password in the field provided, then click Next. Google needs to authenticate that you're the actual owner of this account before allowing Zoom to connect with it. This security step ensures your information stays protected. Now, here's an important step that might appear. Google may prompt you with a permission screen asking if you want to allow Zoom to access your Google account information. This typically includes your basic profile details and email address, which Zoom needs to set up your account properly. When you see this prompt, click either Allow or Continue, depending on how the button is labeled. This grants Zoom the necessary permissions to complete your registration using your Gmail credentials. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Zoom using your Gmail account. Your Zoom account is now linked to your Google profile, making future logins quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.